tomato. Hey. See.
Desiccated coconut and rubber. Wheat. Mix it and finally round ball. In which shape it is? Very good.
Prepare fruit salad. The apple.
Hi, today we are going to make a sprout salad. Take 1 cup of sprouts, take tomato, onion, spinach, palakura, cabbage, pinch of salt, olive oil for dressing, pinch of pepper, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix it well.
We are doing sprout salad. Okay? Green gram. Okay? After that, chana dal. Chili. Okay? Bread slice. Cucumber. Slices. Take some onions. Now sprinkle some pepper. Red on it.
Ingredients. 4. One more time. Take sugar. Add sugar. Peanut butter. Then pour it. Add this. Pour it. Leave it. Okay, mix it with this. Wait. Now we are pressing the laddus. Okay. Let's taste.
Today is World Food Day.
The name of our first snack is Happy Delight Chat. For that, we need add some cornflakes to it, sprouts, onions, lemon juice, a homemade masala. Mix it well.
Wow, very tasty. Today I will prepare roasted chana dal and laddus. Roasted chana dal, sugar and ghee and almond. కొంచెం ghee. Laddus. and raw. Beetroot, onion, salt and black pepper. The plate. Daddy, this recipe ready. The name of our recipe is protein balls.
So let's first put all the ingredients in the mixie jar. One by one. First,
Now let's grate.
let's remove the mixture and then make small laddus or balls.
Now our laddus are ready.
Now let's roll it in coconut powder.
Laddus are ready to eat. Let's chat with my mom.
Hi.
To mix it.
Yeah.
Salad is ready.
Pepper powder.
Pepper powder.
Very well. Mixed well. Mixed.
Okay.
Alcohol.
Now I am making peanut laddu. Add 2 spoons peanut powder, chana dal powder,
1 spoon.
powder, 1 spoon.
Mix them all. Chalo.
We are going to prepare sprout salad.
Onion,
Lemon.
tomato,
Put some lemon and pinch of salt.
this is finished it. Preparing then chili powder and mix. Yummy, yummy! I prepare my favorite food. 1 cup banana, cup guava, apple, cup sugar, or rice juice. Take it spoon and mix it. Favorite food is my favorite food. Preparing that laddu.
Okay. Mix this
Mix this in
dates.
dates. Dates laddu. It is
Salad.
not salad.
Healthy
Healthy food. Pomegranate.
Dates.
Dates
And
and mix.
mix. Then take
Then take
or
all.
mix it well. Take 4 onions. Done. Mix it well.
Vegetable